Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I show you how to complete this holiday makeup look. I really like how it turned out. I post beauty videos every Monday and Friday, so if you like this look, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and also feel free to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that way you'll be notified whenever I post. As I mentioned, I post beauty videos every Monday and Friday, so let's go ahead and get into the look. I already have my eyes primed with the Smashbox 24-Hour Shadow Primer, nothing new here. I also already have a moisturizer on my face, and then my brows are already done. But other than that, that's all that I have done right now. So we're going to start out with the star of the look, which is this Tarte shadow paint in the shade Chrome Shadow Paint in the shade Top Yacht, and this is just stunning. I had a friend who gave this to me, thank you Sarah, and it's just beautiful. The best way that I have found to apply this is just using your finger. And then also, I'm just gonna go ahead and warn you that there is fallout, but that is why I'm doing my eye makeup first. And I actually did bring micellar water and makeup wipes, so I came prepared, and then just wipe that away and then it will be totally fine. But as I said, I'm just going to apply this with my ring finger. I just kind of pressed my finger in here and then got some product. And then I just slide it like this. And as you can see, I did not wet this or anything like that. It's just beautifully foiled eyeshadow. So pretty. And just press the other finger in there and do my other eye. One layer is good, but I just kind of like to do a couple personally. For the crease, I'm going to be using the Naked palette. It's a really shiny, anyway, this is the Naked Heat palette. And you could use any of these three shades right here, and I was kind of debating which one to use. It just kind of depends on the look that you're going for, and I'm kind of gonna make this like a winter, like a holiday at nighttime look. So I'm going to be using the shade Ashes, which is just a matte deep purple color. And to apply that with, I'm going to be using this brush. So let's just take a moment to appreciate the fact that this is actually clean. So yeah, just pack the color on here, tap off the excess as usual, and then I'm just going to put that in my crease area, kind of above where I have that Chrome Shadow Paint. You'll kind of see what I'm talking about. I don't want to blend it too much with that Chrome Shadow Paint. I want to kind of keep them separate. I'm going to blend that a little bit with this E45 brush. And I'm going to do the other eye. Same process. And then you just want to make the eye as much as possible, of course. I'm going to blend that with the E45. This brush is from Sigma, by the way. And as usual, I will link what I can down below, so check the description box. And then to highlight my brow bone, I'm going to be using the E52 brush. And then I'm just going to take this shade right here, Ounce, and highlight my brow bone. Since I already have that makeup wipe out, I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe away the fallout below my eyes. And then for primer, I'm going to be using this Becca Evermatte Poreless Primer. I mentioned this in the favorites before. I love this primer. And then below my eyes, I'm going to be using this Dr. Brand No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. I kind of treat this as a primer for my eyes. And I told you guys, I actually got this in my BoxyCharm. I think it was like the October one. I told you guys I would update you on this, and I really do like it. As you can see now, I definitely have dark circles. I have a problem with that for sure. And I do like it. I think that it helps with that, and it does kind of smooth out my like lines under my eyes and stuff. But this is $42. So I just don't know if I like it enough to say that it's worth $42. I am very glad that I got this in my BoxyCharm, but I just don't know if I would say it's worth that money. So I'm just gonna put this under my eyes first. Ooh, okay. Alrighty. It's kind of this peachy color, as you can see there. and just distribute it. I also really like how it feels on my skin as well. And then I'm just going to be using my primer all over my face. Use about this much. Kind of work it between my fingers. It has been a while since I mentioned the Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation, so that of course is going to be the foundation that I use today. Shake this up a little bit, and then to apply that with, I'm going to be using this IT brushes for Ulta. I'm not sure the exact name, but I will try to link this or at least a similar brush. And then I just kind of shake it up here. I kind of like let this sit for a little bit, and I'm just gonna go in with the foundation now. Awesome. I am a little broken out now, so there's that. And then for concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm in the shade Fair Neutral. Now I'm gonna let that kind of set for a little bit. For under eye powder, I'm gonna be using this translucent powder from Ciate London and applying it with this little brush right here. Face powder, once again, the Urban Decay All Nighter setting powder with the F20 from Sigma. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Benefit Hoola bronzer with the F23 brush. Like, do you see the difference between, this is why I contour. And then I didn't want to do anything too strong or powerful. Bold? Yeah, we'll go with bold. For blush, so I'm going to be using the Tarte Insightful blush because I'm applying red lipstick today, so I just kind of wanted to, you know, not do anything too overpowering. I'm going to be using the Becca Highlight in Opal once again and using this fan brush. Which, this is a good highlight, but since this is a holiday look and it's kind of glam, I do want to take it to the next level with highlight, and I'm actually going to be using this Chrome Shadow Paint, the same Top Yacht shade, very lightly to highlight. And I say very lightly, and then we're going to blend it out because this is a very pigmented color. So just lightly tap, you know, some color on my finger, and then highlight. Like, oh, this is such a pretty shade. And then I'm going to blend it out so it's not just a solid line. But first I'm going to be doing the other side. And first I'm going to kind of blend it out with my finger. I'm just going to kind of blend it out with this brush a little bit, if this will blend it some. Like, this is definitely a more in-your-face highlight, but as I said, this is a holiday look, so why not do something a little bit fun? And before applying mascara and doing my lip color, I'm going to go ahead and set my face. Once again, this was the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I'm going to be doing my mascara, so first I'm going to curl my lashes. I did get a new eyelash curler. And if you thought I was going to do a holiday look and not use the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, you were wrong. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this off camera though, just because I think it'll be easier that way. Before I apply mascara on my lower lash line though, I want to take that same color Ashes using this brush and just apply some shadow on my lower lash line. Just to kind of make this a little bit more smoky, a little bit more glam. But this is still a very simple eye look, like we're only using 3 eyeshadows. Mascara is done. I always feel a lot more put together after doing my mascara. So now moving on to the second star of the show. It's going to be this MAC lipstick in the shade Russian Red. But beforehand, I'm going to be applying this Palladio lip pencil in the shade Candy Apple. And I'm going to line my lips and then I am going to fill them in a little bit. As you can see, it's not a very deep red, but it's just the red lip liner that I have. And then now I'm going to be taking this MAC lipstick, because what holiday look would be complete without using red lipstick at least once? I really, really love this lipstick. It is a cream, it's a matte finish actually. And I think that it's very long wearing and very comfortable as well, especially for a lipstick. Like, it's not, obviously not a liquid lipstick or anything like that by any means, but I think that it is very long wearing. So that completes today's holiday look. Let me know if you liked it by giving it a big thumbs up. As I mentioned, I post beauty videos every Monday and Friday. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to and hit the bell notifications. That way you'll be notified whenever I post. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. And now that I am looking all nice and glam, I am going to eat some lunch because I am very hungry. I live a glamorous life, I know.